Hey everybody, it's Alexander Shikola with Wollaston Real Estate Investments and the Wollaston Wealth Management Fund. On this episode of Some Assembly Required, we want to showcase our new office on Maple Street as well as this beautiful 16-unit investment opportunity that we have located at 456 Maple Street here locally in Holyoke, Massachusetts. We've moved our office and now we're working in this beautiful rectory. Right now we're working on a bit of cleanup. We've got to restore the utilities and heat to the property, but this is effectively going to be our home base. We've got a little bit of work to do, but it is a beautiful piece of property and we're so thankful that we can have our heart of our operation here locally in downtown Holyoke. This wonderful property at 456 Maple Street is actually an investment opportunity that is open for placement inside the Wollaston Wealth Management Fund. This 16-unit building consists of 16 large open concept units like this one. We've got nice steam heat in every unit, and this should actually turn into a really strong return for the limited partners that participate with us inside the Wollaston Wealth Management Fund. This is going to be one of those deals that you get to see turn around in inside 24 months. So as you can see, there's not too much that we need to do. It's really just a bit of cleanup, some final inspections, a couple to-do list items to take care of, but this will be a wonderful addition to the Wollaston Wealth Management Fund. And we hope that you have a very merry and thankful Thanksgiving ahead of you. I know we're all looking forward to some extended time off with family. We wish you the best, and we would love to talk to you a little bit more about this investment opportunity that makes sense. As always, check out our webinar, How the Ultra Wealthy Invest, on Wednesdays at 7 p.m. And then we've got our Wealth Creation with Wollaston REI scheduled for Thursdays at 7 p.m. We're not going to be doing it on this Thanksgiving due to scheduling conflicts, but that will resume next week. Please share with your brother, lover, mother, and father. God bless. We appreciate you checking us out, and we wish you a very merry and happy Thanksgiving. Peace.